everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not installed. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not installed, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to Pinterest app. As you see, you will find it. Here in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then we can go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest and you can click update if you need to update your application or Play Store. So please don't forget to support us, bell, like and subscribe. See you next time.